In this video, we are going to give an overview of the OpenSciEd Middle School COVID-19 and Health Equity Unit and share more about Lesson 1, the anchoring lesson. We chose this focus after talking to teachers and students about the questions they most wanted to understand about the pandemic. The unit takes a historical perspective where students explore what we can learn from historical pandemics to help explain how the COVID-19 pandemic might end. They investigate how viruses from prior pandemics spread and compare what they figure out to the transmission of the COVID-19 virus from person to person and community to community. They investigate the mitigation strategies that are available and how implementation of those strategies can impact the number of people infected in a community. Finally, students hear stories from communities we might not know much about to understand challenges, needs, and forms of protection communities experienced during the COVID-19 pandemic. To culminate the unit, students developed their own stories and action plans for protection to share about how they are experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic.
I felt like this unit was a unique opportunity to engage with a phenomena that was really present in my students and my own life at the time and through this moment. I felt as though they were able to both challenge themselves with the science of understanding how people get sick and how we can best protect ourselves, but also with the feelings that they were grappling with both inside of and outside of school. And I saw that reflected in the conversations that students brought back to me that they had at home, and then also the conversations they brought into the classroom, right, about what they'd heard or what they'd seen, or how people in their community or in their family were working to protect themselves and others. So for my students, it felt like they were able both to find new science ideas that had an immediate application, right, in this moment, but also to use the SEL prompts to better understand how they're feeling, why they're feeling that way, and what they can do about it, what actionable steps they and their families can take, both in this moment and going forward.